Well, and yes, we got an update for the Galaxy Watch 3, and also it's an update for the Galaxy Watch 4 as well. We got a little info. We've been digging deep. We've been trying to talk to a lot of the developers to let us know about the watch faces that are going to be coming to the new smartwatch. Now, there's not a lot of information on the internet. I dug deep for the past 2 days to find out how you get these watch faces. Is it going to be on the Google Play Store? Is it going to be on the Samsung Galaxy App Store? Where is it going to be? All right. But first, let's take a look at this new app that's just been updated. At least I got the update. Many of you may have gotten it already, but for those of you all who haven't gotten it, you can go in, update it, and you'll get this new, clean, and refreshed look. All right. So it's going to look like this. The Wearable app icon is pretty much going to look the same, right? I want to go to the beginning because I was in here taking a look around, but this is how it's going to look. Now, I'm wondering the darkening mode is going to come for this because I really would like to have this blacked out. But again, this is nice. It's clean. I like the refresh look for it. Now, for the Galaxy Watch 4, it's going to look slightly different. So what you're going to get when you get this, right, it's going to be tiles. Information, right? Because that's what they call in the apps now, and it doesn't look bad. So here you're going to have watch faces, but here you're going to have tiles instead of widgets. You're still going to have quick panel, you're still going to have apps, you're still going to have all those things, and then you're going to have the rest of the information as well. Now, how does this transfer from the Google Play Store to Samsung smartwatches? I am not sure, but I'm quite sure when you get an opportunity to open up the Galaxy Watch 4 app, it's definitely going to direct you to the Google Play Store. Now, the information that I've gotten from some of the developers points to all the watch faces that you're going to get for the Galaxy Watch 4 is going to come from the Google Play Store. You will not probably find this on the Samsung App Store as well. Now, for those of you all who are concerned about the Tizen apps, they are not leaving. They're still going to be developing apps for those smartwatches for probably some years to come. But we do have a new smartwatch, which is the Galaxy Watch 4, which is Android Wear based with the Samsung skin on top. So we still going to have Samsung UI on here, so don't worry about it. And what we're pretty much getting is a hybrid blend. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this new app setup. Now, again, I like the clean look. The watch face that you see up at the top is going to be the watch face that's actually on your smartwatch. Also, you're going to get how much battery life you have, how many days you have on that battery life as well, which I thought was pretty cool. And this is going to give you some information of some things that you could do with your smartwatch. Like if you want to set up Samsung Pay, you can. If you want to find out how to find your smartwatch, if you lose it, it'll give you that information as well. Down at the bottom, if you need to go into watch faces, this is going to show you all the watch faces you have, what type of watch faces, which you're already familiar with. It's just a little different tweak to it, but yet it's the same. There's no huge overhaul there. Apps are the same way. So if you want to organize, reorder, manage your apps, you can do that from here. You can go to featured apps. And I thought they made this very convenient, very clean. It's not bad at all. And then your widgets, which will be tiles on the Galaxy Watch 4, you can go into here. So if you want to change them, or if you want to add to, you can just by simply, let's go to the end, and I'm going to add, let's say, contacts. So if I want to add contacts, I can add contacts. If I want to take them away, I can take it away. I do like this look. If I want to keep it, I just hit save, and that's all I have to do. Quick panel is the same way. If you want to get rid of some of these widgets that's up at the top, you can. If you need to add to, you could do the same thing, which I thought was pretty cool. And then save it, and you're done. It still has the same information as what you would have when you had the Galaxy Watch 3. It's going to have the same thing on the Galaxy Watch 4. So if you need to find your watch, you'll still be able to do that. It's going to take you into Smart Things, which is awesome, and then it's going to pull up a map. Now the map looks a little bit different, at least the icon for your smartwatches and all the smartwatches that you have connected to your device. As you can see, it's showing that I have 3. I'm thinking it's saying 2, but it looks like 3 here. And you can find out where where all those watches are. And then if you need to navigate to it, you can. I'm already in the place in which my smartwatch is, so it's not going to do anything. And then you can share the location as well if you need to. So I thought that was a good look. You still get the tips information. You can still go to the Galaxy store. Again, you get a different, cleaner look. So if you need to go to the Galaxy store, you can go here to find your smartwatch. Now this brings you to Samsung's app store. Now I'm quite sure with the Galaxy Watch 4, you're going to go straight to Google's Play Store, and that's going to be the difference. Now, for whatever reason, on the internet, they are not showing any information on the setup and the look of any watch faces for the Galaxy Watch 4, right? And I don't know why. I guess we got to wait until the first smartwatch gets delivered to people's homes. But there are people that have this already, but still nobody is showing the different watch faces or the Google App Store where the watch faces are and where you can get them from. Nobody's showing that thus far. So I just wanted to show you the difference in the new app setup. I also wanted to talk about some of the info that I gathered from some of the developers about how the watch faces are going to look, who's going to be making the watch faces, and it seems that the Google developers are going to be creating these watch faces. A lot of the developers from the Samsung App Store, they're going to go over and also create watch faces on the Google Play Store, right? So you'll be able to find your favorite developer watch faces over there as well. At least some of them. I don't know how many of them are going to be going over. They say the transition it's going to be a little bit different because the setup and how they create watch faces are also different as well. All right, so with that being said, that's going to be the end of the video. I just wanted to give you an update information on the app and information about the Galaxy Watch 4 watch faces and where you're going to get them from and how they're going to look. And as I get the information, I will be creating more videos to give you an update on these watch faces, because I would like to see how they look. I would like to see how you're going to be able to customize them, because Android Wear setup is a little bit different from Samsung setup and how you can customize and create these watch faces. And I'm so looking forward to seeing the unique look and design and customization of the Galaxy Watch 4 watch faces and apps. All right, so thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you all who have subscribed. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Hit that like button, and also make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop more videos on this channel. I'm going to see you all at the next one. Enjoy life. Remember to have some fun out there, and remember also, you all, be safe.